index.
What's this now? I'm trying to make a recording, but I've already missed my entry signal, so I have to pause. And then we'll look at it again. Okay, now I'm trying to make another entry. Whenever I'm trying to do a recording, it's always very distracting, so I'm actually waiting for some pullbacks to see if I can still. Okay, I've wasted enough time just trying to press record so that I can capture. That's what's making me miss it. I don't like all this recording and stuff. They most of the time distract me. Okay, they most of the time distract. That's why I'm not feeling like recording all the time. So you can see the trade. I should have won and finished this trade long ago. Okay, you can see this is 05, right? That means I took this trade 06. I should have done this trade long ago. Now let me show you that's the actual signal for that trade. Where's my okay, where is my I'm not seeing. Okay, so now I needed to show you 05. Okay, it's not from here. It's 50. You see 04. You can see the 04. Alright, that's the signal. Because of recording, I waited too long because of the recording. So it took me a longer while to make my entry, and because I've already missed my entry, so I had to wait for a little bit pullback before I could trade it. Now let me show you. Just do few trades and that's all. I'm tired of recording and showing the same thing over and over again. It's not everybody that knows or that is patient enough to learn how to trade. Okay, a lot of people are in a hurry. They want quick money, fast money at all times. Now, I generate the signals myself and I also generate it for others to use. But you see, you cannot trade everything. Take the little you can take. Right now, like this is a profit of, let's even say 5 times 6, that's 30 minus, let's say 5. So that's like $25. $25 is more than 10,000 naira. So imagine if you're making 10,000 naira every day, or 12,000 naira every day. In 10 days, that's 120k, and in 20 days, that's 240. So it looks so small because they are hearing $10, $20. It's actually bigger than some people's salary. Okay, bigger than a lot of people's salary. If you're earning less than 100,000 naira, your daily wages is just $7 per day. So if this can show you an opportunity of making $10 every day, $20, $30 every day, and you just need 1 hour. Look at the time from what's this time? 9:30. From 9:30 to 10 o'clock. 9:30, 10 o'clock. How many minutes? 30 minutes. In 30 minutes, 1 hour. Okay, let's even say you spend so much time, 2 hours. In 2 hours, you make $20, $10. It's more than enough. But you see, before you get to learn this, there are certain questions you should ask yourself. Number 1, how much do you want to be making? Number 2, how much do you have? Number 3, okay, how much are you willing to lose? Do not come to the platform with money you cannot afford to lose. Okay, how much are you willing to lose? How long are you willing to start doing this to get your target? If your target is more than 30%, 50% of your capital, Oga, you are not serious. You are a Montula. You are trying to look for more. too much. You want too much. You're not going to get it. Settle for less. Calm down. First learn how to make $10. Then you can make 50. You can make 20. You can make 100. You can make 1,000. A slow, steady wins the race. Okay, guys, I just said, it's been a while, so let me just, encourage you. Does trading work? Am I still trading? Yeah, throughout this year, I've not actually had trading sections. I've just been building some system and structure for myself so that I can have auto run. Okay, very soon only my student and probably few of my followers will be able to participate in that. It's not for everybody. It's not for everybody. It's just for few people that have been in my contact and in my connection, and you can now benefit from that. But if you want to learn how to trade and how to do this, you can use my signals. Okay, it's available on my app, and video guides to help you to do that also available. Right now, I'm not actually interested in training people. I'm actually interested in one objective. Can I help somebody to be making $10 every day? And that's what I've been working on all through this year. God bless you, and I'll see you in another video. All right?